Okay, so welcome to modern ethical hacking. I am so glad you're here. This is the complete course. And first, before we get into anything, I just want to thank you for your decision to purchase this course. And second, I want to assure you that you made the right decision. You are in the right place. I've laid everything out for you in this course, step by step. And it includes all the latest, most modern attacks adversaries are currently using against Active Directory environments and web applications. Nothing is left out, and I can't wait for us to get started. Now, you're going to have a ton of fun in this course. I mean, it's going to be amazing. You're going to be emulating attacks that are currently being used in the wild by real adversaries, all with the intent of improving the security posture of the target organization in the most professional, meticulous fashion. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to do that. And along the way, you won't just learn about SQL injection. You'll do it. You won't just learn about XML external entity attacks. You're going to execute those attacks. You won't just learn about golden tickets. You'll exploit them. And you won't just learn about gaining initial access. You're actually going to spearfish a fictitious user in your lab and gain code execution. It's going to be a wild ride. But before we jump in, I just want to give you a bit of advice. It may be tempting to jump around, but there's some reasons why you might not want to do that. So first I'm going to say is just watch sequentially. All right? Because the reason I'm saying that is because I've carefully constructed the content to be consumed sequentially. Each lesson builds on the next. So if you jump around, you might find yourself a little dizzy. And trust me, you don't want that to happen because this stuff is already convoluted enough without the unneeded vertigo. Okay? The second thing that I strongly recommend is that you take this course using two screens. Use two screens. Now, why do I say that? This is something I wish I did when I was learning about this stuff way back in the day. Because what you can do is you can use your smartphone to watch the videos and then use your laptop to follow along. And having both next to each other can give you the agility and flexibility and freedom to really consume this content in a way that makes the most sense for you. And finally, third thing that I think is really important is just watch. By that I mean, the first time you go through this lecture, the first time you go through this course, I don't want you to actually do the labs. Just enjoy the learning experience. Just enjoy it. And then, once you complete the course, go back through a second time and carefully begin building out the labs and following along interactively. Now, of course, what you do is up to you. I'm just sharing some tips that I know will help you succeed. And that's what I really want for you. Because here's the reality, guys. Here is the raw truth. There is a 3 million, or currently, at least from 2020, I'm recording this in 2021, but in 2020, there was a 3 million person shortage of cybersecurity professionals. You can make that number 2,999,999 starting today. So let's go. It's time to dive in. And as always, you can always send me your concerns, your thoughts, your comments, suggestions. I read every one, even if I don't respond immediately. Okay? So in the next lecture, we're going to cover just 2 frequently asked questions. And then we're going to continue to move forward with this course. So I will see you in the next lecture.